Hey everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I wanted to show you the new dies that are available as of today, August 1st at Scrap Diva Designs. These are all of the new dies for this month's release, and they're so pretty. Lots of shabby chic designs and embellishments and just things that you can use for all sorts of occasions, which is wonderful. Very versatile dies. I do have a sneak peek of a project that I made already. I couldn't help myself. These came a few days ago and I had to dig in and start creating. So I will show you all of the dies. I will put links to them down below in the description box. My referral link will be there as well. If you click on that and then order, I do get a commission. Doesn't cost you anything extra, just helps me out and my channel. I also have a coupon code, which is strawberry cream. Please don't forget to use that at checkout and you'll get 10% off of your order. All right, so let me show you all of the great fun dies that are in this release. This one is so pretty. This one is called the Heart Border Rectangle. And I love dies like this that are, basic shapes, but they are decorated so beautifully. And you can use these in so many different applications. So it comes with 2 different sizes. And each size comes with a scalloped edge that has eyelet with little heart details on it. And then there's an inside rectangle too that you can either use it to cut out this as a frame or cut out a separate paper and then layer them on top of each other. So that will be so pretty on the backgrounds of your cards. I could see this. I just had an idea of using this as like a tablecloth at Christmas time and then putting like cookies on it and, obviously paper cookies and gingerbread baking things. So I'm definitely going to do that at some point. And then there's a smaller version as well, which is a very good size. Let me give you an idea of the measurements. The bigger one is about 5 3/4 of an inch long. And the smaller one is about 4.5. And then the bigger one is about a little bit more than 4.5 inches across, and then the smaller one is 3 1/8 about across. And then it comes with all of these little hearts that you can cut out too, and they're all on one plate, so you can cut out, let's see, 4, 28 at once. And so you can use those to, add individually as embellishments or add them to shaker mixes too. So this will be a great die set to have. I'm really looking forward to playing with that. And I say playing with because it's just so much fun to work with these. All right, the next new die set is called the Shabby Chic tags. So this one comes with 3 different tags and then flower dies too in each one that of course you cut out, and then you can layer these if you would like to and make like big flowers. So I'm looking forward to doing that too. I've got more into flower making lately, and these are so pretty. They have like ruffled edges and then embossed lines as well. So I think they'll shape really beautifully. The tags themselves, they're, like I said, they're called Shabby Chic tags. So they have eyelet edges and then they have a little bit of notching on them, which I think is really cool. And they're shaped so beautifully. There's eyelet at the bottom, stitching all around, even around the eyelet. So it comes in the 3 different sizes and you get all 3. The first one is 5 1/8 inches long, and then the middle one is about, let's say, 4 and almost 4.5, and then the smaller one is 3 3/4. So beautiful size tags. These will be great for Christmas projects, especially if you're doing like pink Christmas, pastel Christmas. I think that'll look really nice, or any style you want, this will look pretty in. So that's the next one. The third one, obviously, I broke into already. This is the Memory Decks envelope, and I'm still working on that project, so I'll show you that in my next project share video. But this one comes with the Memory Decks base, which is this cute envelope, and then it has the eyelet with the little hearts for the cutouts, which I left one in there. So it makes it really nice and shabby chic. And then it comes with this layering piece that you can glue on top of that, or you can make it just like a separate piece in your memory decks that you could pull out and write your information on it if you want to. And then this part is so cool. It comes with this envelope looking base, and it forms a pocket that goes on top of your memory decks card, so you could add the things in there. And then it comes with 2 different paper clips. One that says love, there's the shadow, and then actually that's the main piece. There's a shadow, and then the die that cuts out the individual letters, so super cute. And then there's this one too that is a little bit more versatile because it cuts out this cute eyelet oval, and then there's a layering piece for that as well that's stitched. And I actually stamped out a saying on this one and then layered it on top of that. So I'll show you that in a few days when I make that. But this is such a nice set. Love different memory decks sets like this. And of course, if you don't want to make it a memory decks, you don't have to. You can make it just a separate embellishment and don't use that part of it. And not use that part of it. Okay, the next item is the Shabby Chic flowers, and I did start on this as well. I'm still working on those, but I love these flowers because each petal has the little cutouts, so it kind of looks like eyelet trim on the petals, and there are embossed lines too, which make it really easy to shape. So it comes with 4 of each different sizes, the larger, the medium, and the small, which you can layer in different ways. And then it comes with the flower centers as well. So this is really fun. I love how these flowers are looking. All right, the next one this is the one that I'm going to show you today, my examples. This is the gift box. And this is such a cute gift box. It makes like a gabled gift box. So you cut this part out twice, and then that forms the sides of the box. And then there are all these different layering pieces too. This is my favorite part of it. It's an awning. So it doesn't cut out the individual slats of the awning. It just embosses the lines there. If you wanted to, you could cut them out and layer them, but I didn't do that. And I love that it has the scalloped edge on that. And then it comes with these rectangles. This one is like the base of the box. And then this one makes a frame, so you can make the front of it into a shaker if you want. And then this piece is another layering part for the frame. So let me show you what I made. I showed this one on Instagram yesterday as an example. How cute is that, right? So I did make a shaker for the front of this one. The other one I did not make a shaker, but I wanted to make one for at least one of the ones that I showed you today. So yeah, very easy to put together. I will probably make a tutorial for this if you guys would like. So this one I made kind of like a sweet treat theme. I used some ice cream cone paper that I got from Joann's recently, and that has some sprinkled paper in that paper pad as well. So I put that for the awning, which I think looks so cute. And then Life is Sweet, that comes from Scrap Diva Designs as well. That is a past set that comes from the Strawberry Sentiments. So I thought that was perfect for this project. Oops. And then I just glued on some cabochons as well, added a bunch of shaker bits. And let me show you the inside. It just closes so beautifully. All you do is just take these off like that and then open up your box like that. And then you can see how nice and big that is. Even with the shaker part in there, there's still a lot of room. So you could fit, I have this container of sweet cabochons. I thought that would be a good present for a crafty friend. Just put that in there, add some shred or something, and just to keep it stable. And what a cute gift that would be, right? Or you could put cookies or candies, just something sweet. I think would be great for this one. And let me measure this, and then I'll show you the next one I made. So this box it's about 4 inches across and 2.5 inches deep. And then height-wise, let's see, let me put it back together here. All you have to do is hold the handles and then press the sides onto those. Okay, so the height-wise, total height is about 4 3/4, but the box itself, without the gable part, is a little bit more than 2.5. So really cute, right? Oh, I just think this is so pretty. This would be a great party favor or a gift for one of your girlfriends or a kid. And then I made this one as well. This one I made more of a shabby chic kind of vibe. So I had this paper for a long time in my stash. I have several sheets of it. I just love it. It's double-sided. It's got this floral print on one side and then the gingham on the other. And it's from Hobby Lobby, an older paper. And I don't know if you could see, but there are embossed lines there for the awning. And then these are actually, yeah, this is a sneak peek of my flowers, because I did make a couple flowers from the Shabby Chic flower set that just came out. And I glued them onto the front of this box, and I think they look so nice. I used one piece from each of the different sizes, so a big one, medium, and small one, and then there's also the little flower center, and I glued in a little ball too. So on the inside of this one, I just made a window. I didn't make it a shaker, as you can see. I put some acetate back there to keep it covered, and on the inside I added a little one of my pie pin cushions. There's a tutorial on my channel for that. If you want to see how to make those, just look on my playlist for tutorials and it's in there. And then I added some little like sugared cranberries from Hobby Lobby, just to, you know, kind of keep it stable in there. But I thought this was so cute. Like, what a nice way to present a gift, you know, something pretty small like that, even though this gabled box can hold a good amount, but I think it's a perfect size for my little pie pincushion. So there are those I wanted to show you today. Oh, I just love them. And you could go crazy decorating these. This one I did add a cabochon on the back as well. I forgot to show you that. Just hot glued them on, just for some fun and whimsy, and this one is a little more, you know, shabby chic, like I said. All right, so there's that one, and then I have a couple more to show you. The next set is the 3D Carousel Gift Box. So this comes with this side of dies and then this one too. And I have to admit, I'm not really sure. I can't really picture how it goes together. I know it's a carousel, so I'll be looking forward to seeing the pictures on the website. I'm filming this on the day before August 1st, so the pictures aren't up yet. So, well, hopefully once I get started, you know, cutting it out, I'll have a better idea, but I do like to see pictures to help me as well sometimes. So there's that one. And then the next set, this is the last one. This is called the slider set. So I've never used a slider before. I am looking forward to trying these. So I think what the intention of these is, you cut out the hole from your card, and then you put an embellishment on top of that, like mounted on some of these squares, like one that goes behind the slider and one that goes in front of. And that way you could slide the embellishment back and forth, or put it this way and it's up and down. So to make it really nice and interactive. And there are different sizes and shapes and different sizes of the mounts or slider bars. So yeah, that'll be fun. I can't wait to try that. I have like some doodlebug stamps I think would be really cute to stamp out and fussy cut and then put them on sliders. I think that'll be really cute. So yeah, that is the release. There's also a release bundle on the website if you want to get them all at once and save a little bit of money. Again, don't forget to use my coupon code, which is strawberry cream, and my referral link will be down below, as well as links to all of these products so you can click on them and find them easily on the website. So thank you so much for watching. I'll be back soon with more project shares. I hope you like what I've created so far. Had a lot of fun, and I'm looking forward to more shabby chic projects this month. All right, everyone, thanks for watching and take care. Bye.